Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the Bluetooth connection name on your Kobo Libra Colour e-reader. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the More button on the bottom right of your screen, then click on Settings, and then click on Bluetooth connection. And here you have the Bluetooth device alias, and this is the name that your e-reader will appear on other devices when you enable Bluetooth. And you can click on the Edit button to edit the name. So I'm just gonna change it really quickly. So for example, just test, click Save, and here as you can see the name will be changed, and this device will appear as the name that you've just selected on the other devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.